Anand Ranganathan, isn't it this opposition which said कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे, CAA नहीं होना चाहिए, CAA is the worst thing that is dividing, why not include Muslims in that? They didn't even understand what CAA was. They just kept on saying कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे. And have you forgotten what happened, in the Shaheen Bagh border for months on end? Anand Ranganathan, the same people today turn around and very innocently ask the question, what are you doing about the Hindus in Bangladesh?
To paraphrase, good evening Navika and good evening to my fellow panelists, to paraphrase Yogi Adityanath, hypocrisy इनके DNA में In fact, in 2012 and 2015, the communist CPIM, and Congress brought out a bona fide written resolution demanding that citizenship rights, Indian citizenship rights should be given to Bangladeshi minorities. Now, Bangladeshi minorities are not Muslims, right? But the moment Modi does that, all hell breaks loose. So there is hypocrisy. But can I please come back to the topic, because the topic was on what Yogi Adityanath said, and I'm afraid it's been 15-20 minutes and no one has applauded him. I want to applaud Yogi Adityanath for saying the truth unapologetically, because the time for political correctness is over. When you speak with facts, when you dig out the truth, that is the only thing that matters. And as for Yogi being called communal bigot or DNA mein inke communal bigotry or ye hai wo hai, Babar said it himself, quote, I was a wanderer for the sake of Islam and battled infidels and Hindus determined to become a martyr, but thanks to Allah I became a Ghazi, unquote. Are you, by the way, going to blame Guru Nanak ji, who called Babar messenger of death as written in Guru Granth Sahib? Are you going to blame Rabindranath Tagore, who said, quote, Islam has distinct enmity against all other religions. It is not just satisfied with observing its own religion, but is determined to destroy all other religions, unquote. Are you going to blame Ambedkar, who said, quote, the brotherhood of Islam is not the universal brotherhood of man. It is brotherhood of Muslims for Muslims only. Islam is a closed corporation. Those who are outside the corporation, there is nothing but contempt and enmity. Islam can never allow a true Muslim to adopt India as his motherland and regard a Hindu as his kith and kin, unquote. Will you call Tagore and Ambedkar Sanghi bigots? You are free to call Yogi Adityanath and me Sanghi bigots. I dare you to call Ambedkar a Sanghi bigot. Look, Navika, there is no such thing as radical Islam. If I read and follow chapter and verse of the book Biochemistry by Leninger or Stryer, do I become a radical scientist? The essence of Azan is, quote, no one has the right to be worshipped but Allah 40:62. This is amplified through the loudspeaker 5 times a day, whole year round. Al-Kufr Milatun Wahida. Let not believers take disbelievers as allies except when taking precaution against them in Prudence 328. Do not take disbelievers as friends unless they convert and kill them if they refuse 489. These are all facts. Where is bigotry out here?
Well, but let's not get into reading religious scriptures on national television, Anand Ranganathan. But the fact is very clear that those who are making a beeline for Sambhal did not have time to go to Bahraich, and that proves the hypocrisy. Those who are saying bring Hindus back from Bangladesh are the ones who actually oppose CAA, which is why my question to Danish Qureshi साहब, आज असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब को भी समय मिल गया. उनको तो हर मुद्दे पे घुसना है क्योंकि वहां पे भी competitive politics है. मुसलमानों का वोट किसको जाएगा? Because it's all about a vote bank at the end of the day. And then he brings up the issue of the mandir, and he says every mosque is being dug up to find a mandir below it. I want to ask you, Danish Qureshi, which mosque has been dug up to find a mandir? There is the Ram Mandir, which is an issue that was settled through the courts, and then the issue of Sambhal, nobody has dug up anything. Why do the Samajwadi Party leaders, why do Asaduddin Owaisi and his party members continue to spread this canard that there is digging that is going on? That is what actually probably caused violence in the first place on the 24th of November.
Navika, can I take 30 seconds, please?
Okay.
Danish Saab, okay. Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry, Danish Saab, if you don't mind.
Yes, Anand, go on.
चलिए ठीक है. करिए complete कर लीजिए.
Thank you. Very grateful, Danish Saab. Navika, I don't know if any panelists right now would know who is Rahul Gandhi speaking to and laughing. This man is called Shivraj Jivan. He is a Congress leader. FIR was registered and he's possibly was arrested as well, because this is what he said, and I quote, in Hathras, 2 people should die from each side, 1 leader and 1 common man. Bullets should start firing hellfire when Rahul Gandhi comes to visit. This is the reason why Rahul Gandhi wants to visit all these places, to create and incite people. Otherwise, tell this person, Shivan Jivan, that he was wrong.
Despicable. Mr. Ranganathan,
Okay, Sanjay Jha, now counter first before I get in
Yeah.
Qureshi sir.
No, I think
Is this
it's
not a fact?
despicable. Can
What
I
is
can I speak
despicable
without
about
an
it?
interruption?
What is
Can I
despicable,
speak
bhai?
without
This
an
is Shivraj
interruption?
Jivan.
Hello. By the way, Mr. Ranganathan, the kind of aspersions you have actually cast on Rahul Gandhi, I leave the Congress to kind of take appropriate steps on it. But I think it's absolutely vulgar and crude when I heard you even earlier. The way you talked about
Arey,
Muslims.
stop talking
it's as
gibberish,
if I didn't
Sanjay
interrupt
Jha.
you. I did not
Stop
interrupt
being
you.
personal.
I did
Why
not
don't you
interrupt
revert
you.
the facts? Stop being
Navika,
personal.
I don't
Why
want
are
to
you
get into a
personal?
slugfest with anybody. I did not interrupt this man.
Congress
Ask him to pipe
darbaris,
down.
all they know is they never
he
talk
goes.
about facts. Why don't you
Navika, I'll
rebut?
wait for his rant to finish.
Okay,
He's looking very
1
rattled.
minute, 1
Don't
minute.
get
Let's
personal.
not get personal. Let's not get
don't get
personal.
personal.
So here is my answer.
What's your answer? Yes.
My answer is that I take a strong objection to the way he made attributions to the Muslim community and the way they live and the way they pray and the way they think. I think he's made a mockery of 200 million
Ambedkar said
Muslims
it.
living in this country.
I
He's
know
tr-
you don't know
this is
anything
the
about
reason
history.
why. This is
I
the
don't know
reason
you
why
anything
there are
about
people in
economics.
this country who are part of the
Stop
hate
labeling
brigade.
people
They
and
put on.
wrongly
he keeps
accusing
interrupting me
others.
because he stands exposed under an intellectual pretension. These pretentious frauds come and spread hate on TV channels.
Well,
and this guy needs to be called out.
pretensions. Sanjay Jha. I think the Congress party is the last party, and that's the party you support. It's the last party that should talk about pretensions and hypocrisy.
Suspended
But
forever.
1 minute. I want to ask Danish Qureshi. Danish Qureshi, ये खोदा जा रहा है मस्जिद, ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, if somebody is going to court, why should Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi incite people by saying कि भाई सब जगह मस्जिदें खोदी जा रही हैं? कौन सी मस्जिद खोदी जा रही है? आज आप देश को बता दीजिए.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं आनंद रंगनाथन जी को एक बात बताऊंगा. उन्होंने बात कही अजान की. नंबर ऑफ टाइम शायद उनका गुजर होता होगा मस्जिद के बाहर से. उनसे पूछ लीजिए, इतनी बार अजान आपके कानों से गुजरी है, कभी वो नमाज पढ़ने के लिए पहुंच गए क्या? कभी नाविका जी आप पहुंच गए क्या? क्या कोई और पैनलिस्ट पहुंच गया क्या? तो जिसके लिए कॉल है, जिसका फेथ है, उसी कॉल के मुताबिक वो जाता है. खैर, मैं इसमें पढ़ना नहीं चाहता. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट, देखिए, जो संभल में हुआ वो, जो अजमेर में होने की कगार पे है वो, बदायूं की मस्जिद है, ये एक तरीके से देश को खोदने का ही काम किया जा रहा है नाविका. क्योंकि देश के अंदर में जो संभल में हुआ, 5 लोगों की निर्मम हत्या हो गई. ठीक है, और आप देखिए कि इतनी जबरदस्त घटना होने के बावजूद भी योगी सरकार को बांग्लादेश की चिंता है. अच्छी बात है, होनी चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है
पत्थरबाजों के बारे में तो
योगी
बोलिए.
आदित्यनाथ को जो है प्रधानमंत्री बनने का शौक है.
पत्थरबाज
क्यों
कौन
है?
है?
देखिए, इंटरप्ट मत बोलिए.
पत्थरबाजों के बारे में तो बोलिए. वहां पे
अरे
आगजनी
मैं
कैसे
बताऊं
हुई?
पत्थरबाज कौन है?
हाँ, कौन है पत्थरबाज? जिन्हें
6
पत्थर
दिसंबर
उठाए?
को 6 दिसंबर को जिन्होंने पत्थर मारे वो तमाम पत्थरबाज
अरे
थे,
नहीं,
और
नहीं,
जिनको
नहीं,
गोलियां
संभल
मारी
में
गई
पत्थर
वो
किसने मारे?
शहीद नहीं थे, वो
अरे संभल
आतंकवादी
में
थे,
पत्थर मैं कह रहा हूं, मैं
बाबरी
पत्थर
मस्जिद
किसने
ढाई.
मारे?
क्योंकि
पत्थर
उन्होंने
किसने मारे?
बाबरी मस्जिद ढाई.
क्या
और सुप्रीम
पत्थरबाजी
कोर्ट ने
सही है?
देखिए, इंटरप्ट मत करिए.
नहीं, आप
नाविका ऐसे
पत्थरबाजों पे
चलेगा.
बोल नहीं रहे.
नहीं, फिर मैं बोलने नहीं दूंगा.
नाविका जी इज
मैं बोलने नहीं
जस्टिफाइंग
दूंगा
स्टोन
आपको.
बिल्डिंग.